Hello everyone, it's Dr. Mohib and I'll be giving you an overview of first aid. First aid is the backbone of your step 1 preparation. Now, a key thing related to first aid is that it is a review book, not a textbook. So you'll need an explanatory lectures to cover or understand each term and topic. As I'll be going through first aid, I would advise you to annotate and highlight each topic accordingly. Now let's come toward first aid. First aid is divided into two portions, a subjective portion and a systemic portion. The subjective portion consists of following subjects. At first we have biochemistry, followed by immunology, microbiology, general pathology, general pharmacology, and at last public health sciences. While in systemic portion we have the following systems. At first we have cardiovascular system, followed by endocrine, gastrointestinal module, hematology and oncology, musculoskeletal and dermatology, neurology, psychiatry, renal, reproductive, and at last the respiratory module. Each module or system is written in a following manner or a specific manner. At first we have an embryology of that particular system, followed by anatomy, physiology, pathology, and at last the pharmacology related to that system. Now, in step track lecture series, we will be going in a specific manner, or the layout of our lectures would be: at first I would be giving you a thorough explanation of each topic. I would be giving you audio visual information as needed regarding to that particular topic, as well as related mnemonics and other information related to that topic. After going through each topic, then I would be having an active recall questions. It would not just cover your first aid, but also at the same time it will quiz you and activate your active recalling. And at last, I would be giving you step 1 style questions related to that particular topic. It would give you a concept mapping. It would integrate different symptoms, drugs, and diseases. It would give you an understanding or integration of different systems. It would also give you an idea of how these topics would appear in your step 1 exam, as well as it would give you an overview of the clinical day-to-day clinical cases and scenarios related to that topic. And at last I would be giving you tips and tricks to solve these questions. That was all about step track lecture series. Thank you.